Hey, there's a huge ice storm outside and work has been canceled. I'm gonna take y'all outside, take a look. This is why it looks so beautiful. Nice fashion statement, huh? Come on, let's go. All right, get you people outside. Hold on a second. See, my nose is red. I just came from the store. I says, you know what? Let me take my babies outside. Yes, there's an umbrella over my head. Yes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Can we get out the door? Ah! Hold on a second. Oh. Whew. Child, look like I'm crazy. But them's the stairs. Isn't this crazy? Yeah. It's about 30 degrees here. I'll take you out back. Take a little look. Let's see if you can see the icicles over there, okay? Woo! Cha. This is the most beautiful you're gonna see me. Let's see if we can get you a look across. I don't know, what can you see? But yeah. This is it. You gotta be careful out in this. You would be amazed at the amount of people that are walking around. Yeah, them's the steps. You would be amazed at the amount of people that are out here in this inclement weather. Yeah, here in the South, some of you Southerners know what I'm talking about. My headband keeps slipping. Yeah, when you get out here, see, I was in upstate for many, many years, and we've been through snowstorms of 77. We've been through, I remember years ago, I drove a Dodge Dakota. It was a mid-size truck, and there I am at my job, and no one could get out. I slapped that bad boy in four-wheel drive, and I was able to pull right out of the parking lot. We were all making homemade shovels with metal and ends of broomsticks, and we were duct taping them together, and we were making our own shovels. I shoveled my way out. It normally would take one way at that time. It would take me about 45 minutes to get home. It took me over 4 hours that year. The major concern here is the ice. Right now it is actually, I don't know, you probably can't see it, but right now it is raining ice. So anyways, on that day, it took me probably 4 or 5 hours, me and my husband. It took us 4 or 5 hours to get home. Now, if you're out and about, I want you to drive careful and be careful, okay? But I figured I'd get you a little look as to what's going on down south. Now, the fear is that the ice will accumulate, get on the power lines, and we're going to lose power. Now, there was a major snowstorm. I can't recall the year. I think it was in the 80s, maybe in the 90s. And we lost all kinds of power. And so that was my neighbor. And so that's what happened. Yeah. You want to be on YouTube? I do YouTube. Want to say hi to folks?
Yeah, hang on a minute, babe.
You got to come out real quick. This is my neighbor. We live right next door. I was just telling him about the ice storm and stuff like that. Anyways,
Jonathan.
This is Jonathan. I'm Miss Fantabulous. We're gonna say goodbye. All right. Take good care. Bye.
Bye.
I'll see you later.
All right. Let's get back in here. That's my neighbor. Anyway, you guys, yeah. I love you guys. Take good care and get by the fireplace and keep warm, alright? Okay. Bye-bye.